Hey everyone, this is Sideload. Come back with another new video. So in this video we have to talk about how we can install Scarlet in iPhone. If we talk about his supported version, it's 15, 16, 17 and latest one is iOS 18. This work on iOS beta and also iOS 18 stable version. And if we talk about my phone specification here, my device name is iPhone XR and it's RAM 3GB and storage 64GB. You can see on my phone specification here in general about phone here. You can see here it's iPhone XR and currently running on iOS 18. RAM storage and specification does not matter. You can install easily in your iPhone. If you like this type of content, then like this video and subscribe this channel. After that, let's move to installation tutorial. Let's begin. First, connect your iPhone with internet. You can enable here mobile data or Wi-Fi. Then open your Safari browser. Then search here Scarlet iOS. After that, this type of interface appear on your browser. Simply tap on first website. It's official first one. You can see here Scarlet. Tap on it. Then scroll down and find here download or install Scarlet. You can find here get Scarlet. Simply tap on install. After that, this type of ad appears. Simply close this page. After that, again tap on install. Then if we ad appears, simply cut this ad and after that click on direct install. Okay, tap on direct install. After that, close this tab and move to first one, Scarlet official tab or page. You can see here, please wait as Scarlet install. Wait here 6 seconds. After that, this type of pop-up appears. Simply tap on open. Open this page in iTunes. Simply tap on open. Then tap on install. You can simply wait here 5 to 10 seconds. After that, you can minimize the Safari browser and move with home screen. Simply wait here 5 seconds or 10 seconds here. After that, minimize this browser. You can see here on home screen, you can see here installing Scarlet. Simply wait here after successfully installed. If you click on this Scarlet, you can see here untrusted enterprises developer. How we can fix? Let's move to fix tutorial. Simply open your settings. After that, tap on general. Then scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Okay, after that you can see your enterprises app sunshine or like this type of. Simply tap on it. After that, this type of page appears. Simply tap on trust. Then after tapping, you will find this type of pop-up on your screen. Tap on allow and restart. After that, wait here for restarting your iPhone. If you want to like this type of content, then like this video and subscribe this channel. And also you can join my Telegram group. I will provide a link in description. Okay, finally my device restart successful. This type of page appear ready to install profile. Simply swipe to continue. Then simply tap on install profile. Are you want to install this profile? Tap on install profile. Then enter your screen lock or passcode pin. Then again your device restart. Simply wait here. After installing the Scarlet, you will find this type of notification here. I will show you. Wait. Okay, you can see here our notification this type of profile installed. This means you successfully install a Scarlet application on your iPhone, and now you can install any supported iOS applications in your iPhone, like in the format of IPA, and you can sideload without any revoke and without any issue. You can easily sideload supported iOS applications, and also you can some applications you can directly install from Scarlet applications. For example, I installed this uncover applications from Scarlet. Now you can see it without any issue. You can easily install and tap on this download option. You can directly Sideload supported iOS applications in Scarlet, and now you can easily install any application which supported, and also you can download from a browser IPA file and directly sideload in your iPhone without PC and without any issue. And you can install any application. After that, this type of pop-up appears. Simply tap on install and you can easily install any application in your iPhone. Okay, you can see on your screen uncover applications download here. You can now use this application, but unfortunately this application not supported in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, then like this video and subscribe this channel, and also you can join my Telegram. I will provide every link on Telegram. You can join, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.